kerumunan, rindu berkunjung sebagai tamu dan kembali membawa diriku bernostalgia. Saat berada di sampingmu ku rasakan bahagia. Berangsur-angsur hubungan yang kita bangun berantakan, persoalan ingin
It's a trip to me how she got me feeling weak. I just don't understand. I was the type of man that could care one less about a girl, yet here I am.